Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to convert your PowerPoint presentations into Google Slides, so you can easily edit and share them online. First, make sure your PowerPoint presentation is completely saved and closed on your computer. Next, open up your web browser and head over to Google Drive. In the top left corner, click on the New button, then select File Upload. Browse your computer for your PowerPoint file, select it, and click Open to upload it directly to your drive. Once the upload is complete, locate the file in your drive and double-click it. It will open up inside the Google Slides interface. But notice that it is currently still in its original PowerPoint format. You can actually edit it directly right here if you prefer to maintain the original file type. However, to fully convert it into a native Google Slides presentation, simply go to the top menu, click on File and select Save as Google Slides. Google Drive will instantly create a separate, fully editable Google Slides version of your presentation in a new tab. All of your slides, text, and formatting are now native to Google Slides, and any edits you make from here on out will automatically save to your drive. And that's all there is to it. If you found this guide helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.